disastrous now as Igbo people takes another shocking step, vows no election. Despite the cancellation of seats at home order and lifting of Anambra election boycott by IPOB yesterday, Biafran land remained shut down today. From Anambra to Enugu, from Aba to Imo, everywhere is deserted. According to report reaching Echo City News TV, this morning, reading some comments from netizens this morning, many have vowed that there will not be election in Biafra, starting from Anambra State, just like the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ordered before he was arrested in Kenya and renditioned to Nigeria. Yes, I said. Wow, wow, wow. Well, are you surprised? If you are, I am not. I am not in any way, because that is what we asked for. I've said it before. I've said it before that, look, the Anambra election at least should be suspended a little, at least shifted, until the issue between the IPOB and the Anambra government is resolved. You see that, but some persons were saying, I beg you, let it go on, and all of that and this, blah, 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 blah. Now look at it. Today is 5th. Tomorrow is supposed to be the due day. Now, do you know why Anambra is like this today? It is like this today because it is now a day to the election. It is now a day to the election. So, if anything of this such does not happen today, it means that the election for tomorrow is going to be successful. So, based on what is happening today, shows that tomorrow may not be easy. I'm telling you, this is a message. Now, no wonder IPOB came up early this morning saying that no one should risk his or her life casting a vote. Do you understand? No wonder. No wonder. You see, this is what we're talking about. See how deserted the streets are. See how deserted they are. Look at this is a perfect seat at home. A perfect one. Yes. Can you imagine? Even the road is not even having a single vehicle parked, not even to move. That is it. See, our southeast governors are the reason for what is happening to them. They have left the southeast for President Mobari to take control of. And now, he is now ruling the state the way he likes. Yes, he's ruling it the way he likes. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? That serves them right. That serves every one of them right. Because they were warned. They were warned. Now, what is now going to happen tomorrow? What is now going to be the fate of tomorrow? Is the election for tomorrow going to hold? Is it going to hold? It's not. It's not. And even if it holds, it means that the senators, the aspirants, will be able to vote themselves. Yes, they will not vote themselves. Because nobody is ready to sacrifice his life for nothing. Do you understand? Nobody. The Inspector General of Police was bragging this morning too that this Anambra election is going to serve as a trap to the IPOBs. That's what he said this morning. And I started wondering, what trap? What trap? Who is setting trap? Who are you setting the trap for? Do you understand? What are you setting it for? Come on. So, I tell you, my dear listeners in the house, all these things are what we are lamenting of. And now it is happening. Look at it now, it's happening now. It's happening. What I'm going to say. What I'm going to say. Anambra. Yes. And same will happen to other states. Same will happen to other states because they have refused to give the people what they want. They have refused to listen to the people. They have refused to listen to the people. Forgetting that it is the people that own the state. It is good that own the state. If the people refuse to vote, it means that there can never be a leader. It is the people that will say, this is the person we want to be our leader. Whereby there is nobody to cast a vote by tomorrow, what's going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? So, my dear listeners in the house, this is one of the things we have been lamenting of. Now you have seen it this time around. Alright, let me hear you speak anyway to know what you have to say on this very matter. Don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.